First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to refresh the exterior of your property, upgrading your front door is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal. In Lafayette, where the charm of Southern living meets modern design, a new door can make your home stand out while also offering improved security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic value. Here's how you can transform your home's exterior with the perfect door upgrade. Choose the right style for your home. Lafayette is known for its diverse architecture, ranging from classic Creole cottages to contemporary townhomes. The first step in choosing a new door is to ensure it complements the overall style of your home. If you live in a traditional style house, a classic wooden door with intricate detailing may be a good fit. On the other hand, modern homes may benefit from sleek, minimalist designs with large glass panels or bold colors. Consider the architectural elements already present, such as columns, window styles, and roofing, when choosing the color and materials for your door. A cohesive look will make the entire exterior feel intentional and thoughtfully designed. Upgrade to a high-quality material. The material of your new door plays a crucial role in both the aesthetics and functionality of your front entrance. While wood doors offer timeless appeal, they require more maintenance to keep them looking their best. Steel doors are durable and secure, offering enhanced protection while still looking sophisticated. Fiberglass doors are another popular option, known for their ability to mimic wood while offering excellent insulation and low maintenance. In Lafayette's climate, which combines warm summers and occasional wet conditions, it's essential to choose a door material that can withstand the elements without warping, rusting, or fading. A fiberglass door, for instance, will be a wise investment for its durability and energy efficiency. Consider energy efficiency. Upgrading your door is a great opportunity to enhance your home's energy efficiency. A high-quality door can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduce drafts, and even lower your energy bills. Many modern doors come with advanced insulation features, such as foam cores or double-glazed glass, which help to keep the heat out during the summer and the warmth in during the winter. Lafayette residents, particularly those living in older homes, can greatly benefit from an energy-efficient door. Not only will it improve the comfort of your home, but it will also contribute to a greener, more sustainable living environment. Opting for a door with an ENERGY STAR rating ensures that you're investing in an eco-friendly choice that benefits both your home and the planet. Add decorative hardware for a personal touch. Small details make a big difference when upgrading your front door. Adding decorative hardware, such as a stylish handle, knocker, or unique hinges, can elevate the overall look. In Lafayette, a touch of Southern flair is always appreciated, so consider incorporating classic or vintage-style hardware that suits your door's design. A pop of color on the hardware can also tie in with other elements of your home's exterior. Whether you choose polished brass, matte black, or brushed nickel, the right hardware will add elegance and personality to your entryway, making it even more inviting for guests. Incorporate glass for natural light. if you're looking to create a welcoming and airy atmosphere. Incorporating glass into your front door design is an excellent idea. Glass panels can bring in natural light, creating a brighter and more open entryway. Many doors now come with customizable glass options, from clear to frosted or decorative glass that offers privacy while still letting in light. In Lafayette, where the abundance of sunshine can make any space feel warm and inviting, a door with large glass panes can help your home feel more connected to the outdoors. Plus, the beauty of Lafayette's landscapes, from the bayous to the oaks, will be framed by your door, enhancing the visual appeal of both your home and your surroundings. Don't forget the frame and surrounding area. When installing a new door, it's also important to pay attention to the frame and the area surrounding the entrance. A fresh coat of paint on the door frame, new side lights, or even custom trim can make a huge difference in the final appearance of your door. Additionally, consider upgrading the entryway with new lighting fixtures, plants, or a welcome mat to create a warm, inviting atmosphere right from the curb. Conclusion: upgrading your home's front door is a simple yet effective way to enhance its curb appeal in Lafayette. Whether you choose a traditional wooden door or a modern fiberglass option, there are endless possibilities to match your home's style, improve energy efficiency, and make a statement. By paying attention to the details, such as decorative hardware and glass panels, you'll create a welcoming entryway that adds beauty and value to your property for years to come.